Searching for a reliable NAS OS that you can use at home or at work for your lab or business storage space? In this video, we're going to discuss XigmaNAS and TrueNAS, two of the most trusted open source NAS OS in 2025 and 2026. Firstly, let's talk about XigmaNAS. XigmaNAS is a small and highly customizable OS suitable for use at home or in lab settings where you need minimal features. This OS is based on FreeBSD and it offers ZFS, which guarantees the safety of your stored data. Protocols such as SMB, NFS, and ISCSI are used by this NAS OS for file sharing and storage. This OS comes with many useful features, including web management and storage for software RAID and native ZFS, but can operate using less RAM and less powerful CPU than other systems. Then we have TrueNAS. TrueNAS is enterprise-ready, feature-packed software, and while TrueNAS Core on FreeBSD is an older version, TrueNAS Scale is a newer Linux-based version and flagship edition with native KVM hypervisor support and application containerization through Docker. This software enables native ZFS with support for RAID-Z for quick reconstruction of failed hard drives, data snapshots, compression, snapshot cloning, and scalable clustering in its enterprise variants. TrueNAS comes with an advanced modern user interface with a rich selection of applications, has enterprise-grade features such as high availability, and comes with lots of documentation, massive community support, and professional-grade support. That said, it is resource-hungry software that officially require a minimum of 8 GB of ECC RAM and a 64-bit microprocessor because it utilizes Debian Linux for enhanced hardware driver support and modern application ecosystem. So, which one is better? XigmaNAS works well for minimalistic solutions with a DIY approach when it comes to technical skills, as well as for budget-conscious people who appreciate bare metal performance of ZFS file system with no need for any unnecessary background information and a traditional text-based user interface. TrueNAS can be considered an outstanding tool for those who require the highest level of data integrity and reliability, as well as additional functionality of high-end NAS solution such as HA cluster and others, while at the same time requiring extensive community and professional support. Power users as well as small businesses will benefit most from TrueNAS, while XigmaNAS can be a good solution for those who have limited hardware capacity and financial capabilities. To sum it up, it all depends on scale and personal taste. XigmaNAS for DIY minimalistic approach and TrueNAS for enterprise grade requirements. Do not hesitate to test these systems for yourself and let us know what you preferred in the comments section below.